Hey guys, Joe from 146, 2014 half-ton Sierra, SLE, big doors in the back, full crew, 83,000 miles, nice straight truck. We're gonna put 3.5 in it. We're gonna put some wheels and tires, give it a little attitude. We gave it a little loving. We did the 4-inch ready lift. Put some sexy 22s on it. Nice tonneau. Just finished it. Just came in. Dirty. Just showing you just how I get them, and then I can show you what we do to them when we're done. I think this is a brakes oil change. We spent like almost $5 on in the house. My guy has not buffed it yet. I'm just getting it out there. It's gonna go in Monday morning. Make it look like it came off the showroom floor. It's got a nice look on. We take the badges off. And guys, if you're looking at these trucks and you're saying, shit, I just bought a truck 6 months ago, we can do all this stuff right here in house. Call my guy, Tony LeBoy. He's here Monday through Friday, 7:30 to 5. All he does is accessories. He's been doing it for 30 plus years. He knows, he forgot more than I'll ever know about accessories. Very nice guy. So just letting you guys know, sleek and sexy. 14, 2 owners, all ready to go. Joe from 146. Check us out on my website, Facebook, Instagram. And guys, girls, if you have anything, we can make your truck. We can give all your guys trucks and cars and everything and anything. Facelifts, no limits, no boundaries. We got the grand opening in less than 2 months. Thank you.